So welcome to my channel everyone. So today I'm going to explain you how you can use one Android app to practice your Java codes. But according to your syllabus, I will always suggest you to download a BlueJ app in your desktop or PC and do your program in that app. And for your practice purpose, you can use this app, and I will show all my codes, all the things in Java, all the programs in using this app. That's why I am also showing you how you can use this app. So let's get started. At first you have to go to Play Store. Then here you have to write the name of that app. So the name of the app is Decoder. So when this appears, you have to choose this option. As I have already downloaded this app, that's why they are showing me these two options. One is uninstall, another is open. So let's just go to my phone and let's see. So you can see here Decoder app icon. So here I am going to touch and open this app. So this window will appear. As I have done some of the programs over here, that's why they are showing this kind of options here. But I am going to show you how from the beginning you can do that. So you can see at the bottom there is start coding option is given. It looks like a text box with a background color white. So here you have to press it. So you will get this option like quick code and projects. You can create your own project and you can write program inside it. But for now I am going to show you how to write a code quickly. Okay, so I am going to the quick code, first option, create code. So here you can see different kind of programming languages options are available. So you can practice all these kind of programs which is available. Like you can practice Python if you have learned. You can practice PHP programming, HTML programming. Okay, but our concern is Java. So I have already chose Java, you can see. Then we have to go to the next button. So here you have to give the file name. Okay, here the file name is not like class name. This is kind of a name which you are going to save in your smartphone. Okay. So I am writing here program1.java is already given. So create file. So you can see this window will appear in your screen as well. So already you can see there is one statement is written inside system.out.println. So let's see when we will run the code, then what output it will show. So how to run the code? You can see at the bottom there is a light green color, or you can say sky color button is available, where the pause kind of button you can see inside a circle. There you have to press your finger. Okay. So you can see terminal window opened and they have printed the statement hello decoder. So let's just close this terminal window and let us write something by our side to check whether it is working or not properly. So again we are going to print one small statement. Let's just write the name of any person. So hello decoder John. Okay, so I want to see, sorry, it's not print out, it's print ln or print. So I am writing print. Let's just see the terminal window. So you can see that they are writing printing hello decoder then John. Okay, so this is how you can run your code in Decoder app. You can save your code. How you can save? You can see at the top there is a 3 bullet button is given. There you can press your finger and you can save it locally, any folder in your file manager, or you can save it, save as option, choosing that option. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope all of you will learn how to do the program. Please practice by yourself. And if you find any doubt or anything you want to say, you can comment in the comment section. And I hope all of you learned something. If you have learned, then you can like this video and you can like and you can subscribe to my video. So thank you class. So if you have liked my video, you can subscribe to my channel, that is C for Computer. So thank you everyone.